Write a program to define a class that accepts employee number, name, and basic salary. Write methods to calculate DA, HR, and total salary. So in comment line we will write it. For this we define a class salary. Since we need to accept employee number, name, and basic salary, we will define variables. Employee number, basic as integer, and string as a name. And we are going to calculate the DA, HR, and total salary. So we will define variables for that. Since we are going to accept it through constructor, so we will define a constructor with variables employee number, basic, and e-name. It is employee name. And I will assign this dot employee number equal to ENO, that is constructor variable. Now we will define a method for calculating DA HRA, where DA equal to basic into 40%. We will calculate DA as 40% of basic and HRA also 40% of basic. So DA equal to basic into 40 divided by 100. Then HRA equal to basic into 40 divided by 100. And total salary will be basic plus DA plus HRA. And we will print it with console.writeLine employee number. Then we will print employee's basic salary, then DA and HRA and total salary. Now to execute this, in main method we will accept the name, employee number, basic salary. So for this we will declare three variables: employee number and name. For this we will declare three variables: employee number, basic, and string e-name. And we will accept it. In ENO we will accept the number, and in basic we will accept basic salary, and in name we will accept name. But since it is string, no need to convert it. We will accept number, name, and basic. After that we will create object for our class salary with constructors parameter employee number, basic, and name. And we will execute s.da method. To execute, we will press F5. Employee number, name, basic salary, it will print the employee number, name, basic salary 10,000. 40% of 10,000 is 4,000, so total salary will be 18,000.